Welcome to solverfy.
Hello everyone, in this problem it is given that three forces are acting on the beam as shown in the figure. We have to replace these forces by a single force. So we have to calculate the resultant of forces acting on the beam. Second, we have to calculate moment of forces about the B point. X component of resultant force acting on it you may like this. Just a moment please. X component will be summation of X component of all forces. So all these forces are to be resolved into its component, and I am writing here their value 1.5 sine of 30 minus 2.5 into 4 by 5, and this component along y-axis is 0. So X component of resultant force we will get minus 1.25 kilonewton. Similarly, along y-axis we have to resolve all these. Minus 1.5 cos of 30. Bicomponent of this force is also negative, so minus 2.5 into 3 by 5, and this force is also along negative y-axis, so minus 3. So resultant force along y-axis will be 5.80 kilonewton. So resultant force can be written as minus 1.25 I cap minus 5.80 J cap kilonewton. We can find its magnitude and direction. We will draw the vector. This is negative x-axis, this is negative y-axis. This will be the resultant force in this direction, and this angle theta, and magnitude you may calculate. The magnitude of this force will be square root of minus 1.25 whole square plus minus 5.80 whole square. So this magnitude will be 5.93 kilonewton. So resultant force having the magnitude 5.93 kilonewton. Just I am doing the correction here, please. Sorry. Now theta, tan inverse of 5.80 upon 1.25 on solving. This angle will be 77.8 degree, and you can draw like this. So this is the answer of first part. Now we have to calculate moment of force. Moment of force about B point. This will be 1.5 cos of 30 into perpendicular distance, that is 2, plus 2.5 into 3 by 5 into 6, that is a perpendicular distance. So on solving it, you will get 11.6 kilonewton into meter, and direction you can find in both the cases to be in anti-clockwise by using the right hand thumb rule. So moment of forces about B point is 11.6 kilonewton meter in anti-clockwise or counter-clockwise direction. This is the answer for this problem.